How to fix WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message. So if you want to fix WhatsApp screen goes black when playing WhatsApp voice message, then what you need to do is this is caused because there is something which is interfering with the proximity sensor of your device. So the first thing you can have to check is if you have used a screen guard or not. Then you can remove the screen guard or the screen protector because sometimes some screen protector might cause issue with the proximity sensor. The other thing is if you are using a cover to protect your Android device, make sure that the cover is not covering the proximity sensor. And the other thing you have to take care is when you are playing the voice message, make sure that your finger is not covering the proximity sensor. So after you've done these things, if you think that the problem is still persisting, then what you need to do, just open up your settings. And after that, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Now under apps, you need to tap on WhatsApp and go with permissions and make sure that you've allowed all the permissions and go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now you just need to simply go and update your WhatsApp application if you have any updates on your Play Store, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.